दो चीजों का माननीय
I don't think there is
why not? Why not? Yes. प्रधानमंत्री के भाषण के बाद कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन कभी हुआ नहीं।
नहीं, आजाद साहब बैठ जाइए। This concludes the discussion on the motion of thanks. I shall now put. सुन लीजिए, अनंत जी बैठ जाइए। No, please. You know the procedures very well. आप बैठ जाइए। Sit down, please. I know the procedures. No. That is not the procedure. Please sit down. Please sit down. We've had a full discussion. A reply has been given. That is the end of it. No. Sorry. If you are dissatisfied with the reply, you know the procedures. But there can't be any further discussion. No. No banners, please. बैठ जाइए. No banners in the house, please. बैठ जाइए. No, I'm sorry. We have had, honorable members, we have had more than 14 hours of discussion by members of the House. A reply has been given to it. Now we proceed with the next stage because the discussion is over. No. This is not correct. This is not No. This is not only.
It is not the procedure of the House. Never it happened.
Not in the end of a discussion. There will be no end to it.
Clarification was given. All the seniors are sitting here.
I shall now proceed to put the amendments which have been moved to vote. Please sit down. No. I'm sorry. You cannot have any. बैठ जाइए. Please, आप बैठ जाइए. भाई आप बैठ जाइए. Silam ji, please, it's not correct. And I think I will be compelled to ask you to leave the house if you don't put down that banner. इनका नाम क्या है? Mr. Ramchandra Rao, if you display banners, I will have to invoke a rule against you. Please don't compel the chair to do it. Mr. Ramchandra Rao, honorable member, please put down that banner and resume your place. You had your turn, you said your piece, please sit down. Please sit down. By Ghulam Nabi Sahab, an honorable member on your side. Please, I will be compelled to invoke a rule which I am reluctant to do. Please tell him. Thank you. I shall now put the amendments which have been moved to vote. Amendments. Sit down. Please sit down. Don't violate discipline. Sit down. I shall. Amendments number 1 to 28 by Shri Vishwabar Prasad Nishad. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote?
हम अपने जो राष्ट्रपति का भाषण में जो है संशोधन है उसको हम बल देते हैं और हम स्पष्टीकरण चाहते हैं कि जो
भाई आप सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, भाषण मत दीजिए।
इसमें जो क्लास दिए गए हम लोगों ने जो संशोधन दिया है
भाई
इसमें जो है सरकार ने कुछ नहीं कहा।
Are you moving the amendment or withdrawing them? Just one answer.
हम उम्मीद करते हैं
नहीं, आप भाषण नहीं देंगे, आप सिर्फ सवाल का जवाब देंगे और कुछ नहीं.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, हम विड्रा करते
हाँ? The amendments are withdrawn. Does the honourable member have the leave of the house to withdraw the amendments? Yes. Okay. Amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 29 to 72 by Shrimati Kanak Lata Singh. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote? Does she have the leave of the house to withdraw the amendments? The amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 73 to 87 by Shri Naresh Agarwal. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them?
सभापति, हम विरोध भी कर रहे हैं इस बात का कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उत्तर प्रदेश के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करी।
नहीं, आप
जबकि
सिर्फ
वहाँ
इसका
तक
जवाब
आए हैं।
दीजिए।
लेकिन परंपरा रही है प्रेसिडेंट के एड्रेस पे वोट करने की नहीं, इस कारण हम विड्रा कर रहे हैं।
Does he have leave of the house to withdraw the amendments? Amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 88 to 106 by Shri Madhusudan Mistry. Are you
No, अभी जैसे
withdrawing the amendments?
जस्ट मिनट सर, मैं जिस तरह अभी अग्रवाल जी ने कहा कि प्रेसिडेंट के एड्रेस के ऊपर है तो
Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote?
Just give me a minute sir to speak.
No,
on this, sir.
this is only a question to be answered.
Yeah, but I have not spoken sir. I have
No,
put an
I'm sorry, this is not the time to speak.
No, I'm not speaking, sir. I'm just drawing your attention, sir, for 5 minutes. What is it, sir?
No, I'm sorry.
I just want a 1 minute.
That's not the procedure.
But just, this is what.
That's not the
Sir, मैं
procedure,
सिर्फ
Mr.
आपका
जी.
ध्यान इसलिए आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ।
नहीं, आप-
कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है उन्होंने
आप इस सवाल का जवाब दीजिए।
मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको सर कि जब नरेगा के अंदर प्राइम मिनिस्टर
Are you withdrawing the amendments
I'm coming to
or
it,
shall I
sir.
put them
Give
to
me a
vote?
minute, sir. I'm coming to it.
No, you
Sir.
can't speak on this
I'm
occasion.
not speaking, sir.
The
I'm just
question
drawing
is a
attention,
simple,
sir.
straightforward one.
Sir, I'm answering it to you.
What is the question?
The question-
Are you withdrawing?
The question is, sir, when the Prime Minister was the Chief Minister in Gujarat.
No,
he
that's
has
not
given the
relevant.
same thing,
It is
given
not
same
going
thing,
on
sir.
record.
He had just simply
This is
asked-
not going on record. Are you withdrawing your amendment or shall I? No, you will not come to it.
Sir,
You
what
will
is-
just answer the
Sir, what
question.
is in hurry just in a minute that I speak?
I'm sorry,
It's not
please
a
observe
question
the
of a
procedure.
sir.
Don't do this.
So, I'm just respecting the chair, sir. Allow me a minute to
I
speak.
cannot
I'll give
allow you
chance
a
to
minute
it.
now. You've had your turn to
Amendment.
speak.
I'm simply drawing your.
No, you cannot do that.
Gujarat.
You simply answer the
सिर्फ
question.
मिट्टी खुदवाने के अलावा कुछ काम नहीं
Please.
किया और बोरीबंद वगैरह के जितने भी डैम बनाए थे आज उसकी एक
None of this is going on record. Are you withdrawing the amendment or shall I put them to vote?
Sir, I withdraw it, but I
Do you have, does he have the leave of the house to withdraw the amendments? Amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 107 to 209 by Dr. T. Subbarama Reddy. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote?
All the amendments, sir, I got 107 to 206, 103 amendments. Out of 103,
What is the answer to the question?
my answer is, out of 103 amendments, 6 amendments I am not agreeable to withdraw it unless...
Will you mention the 6?
Shows that Andhra Pradesh, they will fulfill the assurance given in the bill. Otherwise I won't withdraw. I won't
Will you
vote.
mention the 6 so that I can put them to
Yes,
the house
it
then?
will provide-
Which
No, no,
ones?
sir, provided government gives assurance, they
Sir,
will give.
I appeal to the honorable member. He has opportunity during the budget session. He can still raise those issues. Please, this is the president's address. President's address. No,
We have to, government has to.
accept, whether I accept it or not, it's your right. I am not disputing it. मेरा प्रार्थना है राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण को धन्यवाद देने का है, इसलिए कृपया आप इंसिस्ट मत करिए, उसको विथड्रॉ करिए और बजट सेशन के दौरान आपको समाधान मिलेगा। सरकार इसके बारे में आपको रेस्पॉन्स देंगे।
Are you going concern matter? Government is concerned matter.
I have already said the government have taken note of your concerns. They will be addressed in due course of time, please.
Okay, I am happy government has taken a note of this listing, therefore I am withdrawing.
Does he have the leave of the House to withdraw the amendments? Amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 210 to 231 by Shri Narendra Kumar Kashyap. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote?
जी सदन की गरिमा के हिसाब से मैं अपना संशोधन वापस लेता हूं।
Does he have the leave of the House to withdraw the amendments? Amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 232 to 319 by Shri Sitaram Yechuri, Shri P. Rajiv and Shri T. K. Rangarajan. Are you withdrawing the amendments or shall I put them to vote?
No, sir. I am not withdrawing the amendments after what we have heard from the Honorable Prime Minister.
Are we putting
And,
them?
and I think we would have in the normal course, but since he is asking for a fight, we don't want to back out. I'm not withdrawing the amendments. And out of these amendments, you please take the voice vote, then I'll tell you my next point.
Well, if you are not withdrawing the amendments, then the amendments have to be put to vote.
Yes, you take a voice vote, then I'll tell you what I want.
232 to 319. Those in favor will please say aye.
I
Just a
want
minute.
division on number 233.
And we have 357.
Yes.
357, which
Wait.
is the same issue.
Wait.
Which is the same
And
issue.
I want division
Just
on
one.
233.
Is that the only one you are pressing?
I'm sorry?
Is 232 the only one you are pressing?
233. 233.
I move the amendment 233.
Yeah.
But the regret there is no mention in the address about the failure of the government to curb the high level corruption and to bring.
What is the number you are pressing?
233.
Let one person speak for the
Yeah,
group.
yeah,
Let one person speak.
Number 233.
That's the only one.
That one I want a division. And may I be permitted to read out the amendment? May I be permitted
What?
to read out?
Every member has a copy of the amendments. There is no need to read it. Let's
Sir,
put them to.
but I regret there is no mention in the address about the failure of government.
That is
to
all
curb
right.
high-level corruption
division.
and bring back money. Unquote. That is the amendment, sir, number 233.
All respect to Sitaram ji, who is a very senior member, there was a mention about black money, steps taken up to unearth black money and bring back black money, and also the Prime Minister also said about it. I request Sitaram ji, this is an issue on which there cannot be any difference of opinion. But again, moving an amendment to the President's address, normally it do not happen. You have a right, I do concede, but I request you, your concerns are understood. There is no disagreement on general as far as the fighting black money is concerned. Please do not press for division, that's my request to you.
Sir, normally, sir, I would have conceded to the request of the Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister, but here, the normal procedure in this House is that when we disagree with something, we raise for an interjection. That was not allowed. When after the Minister makes a speech, we rise to ask for clarifications. That was not allowed. And LOP was not allowed to ask a clarification. Sir, there's been a violation of all the norms and procedures in this House, which is a strong objection, which we want to record that as well in this vote, in the manner in which our parliamentary democracy in this House is being treated. And you
Sir,
cannot have a situation where the Honorable Prime Minister will reply to a discussion. 12 hours of discussion we have had. And every major point that was made in the discussion has been skirted. But okay, if that is his opinion. But he can't leave the House and go. He can't leave the House and go after this. What is the procedure of this
Please,
House?
you have to say,
I
you have to
insist
say,
on a division.
sir, I would like to place before the House.
One at
Sir,
a
I
time.
insist on a division.
One at a time.
I would like to place before the House the rules of the procedure of this House and also the precedents in the House are when you make a statement, you have an opportunity to have clarification. Here, it's a motion which was discussed. Every member had every party has an opportunity. They have put their point of view, and the Prime Minister also has intervened, and he has put his point of view. There is no scope. Never before any clarifications were sought or given. He has to understand that.
Please, let's not. Sir, can we proceed then?
Number two, sir, number two, three.
First point.
Yes,
Three.
Just to only make one
Sir.
request, sir. As far as seeking clarification on the response by Honorable the Prime Minister on presidential address is concerned, I am member of this house for the last 16 years. This is never allowed. So many decisions are there, sir. Minister so comprehensive allowed, but not in this, sir. Let us respect.
My rights as a member.
Yes.
I know my rights as a member. I will exercise that right. And particularly after the reply that was given, that right of mine is an inalienable right as long as I'm a member of this house. I exercise that right. No need of any further clarification because we were not allowed to ask. And therefore, please allow me to exercise my right. You have to protect me. I am moving
one
the
minute.
division on 233.
One minute. I think the honorable members are well aware of the procedures. If an amendment is moved and the amendment is not withdrawn, then the honorable member always has the right to press it. What the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs has said is a different matter of a certain convention and propriety. Now, if in spite of that you wish to push it to the point, it's your right, the chair cannot deny it to you.
Like you have explained that you cannot deny, I am also asking you to just give me a minute. हम ये नहीं चाहते कि इस तरीके की बात यहाँ पे हो, लेकिन इसके लिए, इसके अलावा और कोई चारा हमारे लिए छोड़ा नहीं गया। जो 12 घंटे की बहस में
14 घंटे की
14 घंटे की बहस में जो मुख्य मुद्दे जो उठे उसका जवाब नहीं मिला। ना हमें ये अधिकार मिला कि हम प्रधानमंत्री महोदय को हम पूछ सके कि इन सवालों के ऊपर क्या है जवाब। वो अधिकार भी जो मिलता रहा है पिछले 10 साल में, मेरा अनुभव है, जो मिलता रहा है वो नहीं दिया गया। ना कि थोड़ी सी कर्टसी होती है, अगर कोई और जब यहाँ पर उठ के कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन पूछते तो उसका परमिशन मिलता। यहाँ पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री उस तरीके की परमिशन देने से भी इनकार कर दिया। तो इसीलिए हम डिवीजन चाहते हैं। हम डिवीजन चाहते हैं।
कभी क्लैरिफिकेशन मिलता
Why, let's not have a debate on this.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, which, भाई आप बैठ जाइए। नहीं, which amendments are you moving?
233.
233.
Which is the same.
They also have a similar amendment.
क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं देने का, क्या आपके निर्णय पर वो आपत्ति उठा रहे हैं? क्या मतलब है इसका?
Please.
वो वरिष्ठ मेंबर है।
This is not your amendment.
आपने निर्णय किया।
This is not your amendment. This is
मैं भी जानता हूँ, मैं भी जानता हूँ।
चलिए ठीक है।
क्या मतलब क्या है?
Sir, listen to him, sir.
What are you saying?
I have identical amendment at serial number 357.
357.
When we come to it, we'll take it up.
So both the amendments put on
No,
vote.
no, when we come to it, we'll
Both
take
the
it up.
amendments put on division. 357 and both together.
All right.
Okay, चलो दादा।
Identical sir.
भाई मांग रहे हैं। Sir, please.
Identical
right.
amendment.
All right, now 1 minute, please. Silence. I shall now put the amendments 232 to 319 except 233 and the one which is identical to it. Which one is that? 357. It is not here. So when we'll come to it, when we come to it, we'll
List
take it
number
up.
two, list
Otherwise
number
it will
two.
disturb the order. To vote, those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no.
On 233 division.
233 divisions.
233 division.
Yes.
All right. Lobbies be cleared.
Lobby is clear. Green.
ये है ना
को बैठने कितने नंबर बोला था सर?
वो तो अभी नहीं होगा ना, वो तो बाद में हो जाएगा। हो गया, लॉबीज हो गई।
गुलाम नबी जी देख लीजिए क्या करें, तो उनका अधिकार है, उनको तो अधिकार है, हम अधिकार को इनकार नहीं कर सकते, तो ऐसा हुआ नहीं।
भाई जर्मन साहब अपनी जगह पे नहीं है, वोट नहीं करेंगे। भाई लॉबी इज क्लियर।
नहीं सर, अभी टाइम लगेगा, 3.5 मिनट बेल बजता है।
अच्छा,
2 मिनट। We'll make it simple. You can ask the House. You agree?
हाँ सेपरेटली ना, ओके। बेल नहीं बजी अभी?
नहीं सर,
3 मिनट हो गए भाई।
3.5 मिनट से बज रहे हैं सर, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल स्टॉप। ठीक है सर।
हाँ हो गए। Let the House be in order. Secretary General will explain the voting procedure. Please sit down. Please sit down. नॉन मेंबर्स कोई नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए। सेक्रेटरी जनरल प्लीज।
Honorable members, for your convenience,
साइलेंस प्लीज, साइलेंस।
honorable members,
साइलेंस प्लीज।
honorable members,
ये दरवाजा क्यों खुला है?
honorable members, for your convenience,
Please
I shall
proceed.
explain the voting procedure by automatic vote recording system. It may please be noted that each member has been provided with an integrated microphone and voting console containing 4 buttons: P for press, P for present, A for ayes, O for abstain, and N for noes. There is also a separately situated security button in red, which is vote activation, provided on the language selector. A red LED vote now lighting during the voting period indicates that the voting functions are operational and active. To record a vote, a member has to press the vote activation button and one of the voting buttons of his or her choice simultaneously. Each voting button has an assigned LED indicating the correct and valid voting function as long as the button is pressed together with the vote activation button. The voting process starts with a musical sound on large screen hall display in the 2 corners of the chamber.
each member has to keep the voting button as well as the vote activation button pressed simultaneously for 10 seconds. That is at the time of closing of voting in order to register a valid vote. During the voting period, the member can change his or her vote at any time. The vote cast at the time when the voting period is ending will be valid. That is, the buttons kept pressed at the 10th second will be recorded. In case either one or both the buttons are released prior to close of voting period, the vote will not be registered. The countdown time is also indicated on the display board. If a member finds that he or she has voted by mistake by pressing the wrong button, he or she can be allowed to correct the mistake provided he or she brings it to the notice of the chairman before the
Silence!
of the division is announced. Honorable members, your voting time starts now. जल्दी लिखो, 2 मिनट फटाफट लिख के दे दो। जल्दी लिखो यार, 108। Subject to correction. Slips कोई?
Please sit down. Silence, please. Subject to correction. Ayes 118, noes 57. Amendment number 233 is adopted. Amendments number 332 to 351 by Shri Kiranmananda. Are you withdrawing the amendment?
I withdraw the motion.
You withdraw the amendments. Does he have the leave of the House to withdraw the amendments? Yes, the amendments are withdrawn. Amendments number 352 to 361 by Shri Secondro Shekhar Roy. Are you withdrawing the amendments?
I am withdrawing the amendments, excepting amendment number 357 at page 222 of list number 2. Amendment number 357. It should be put on division. Other amendments I am withdrawing.
I shall now put the amendments number 352 to 361 except 357 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. Amendments are negatived except 357. You want a division on it?
Already the identical amendment has been accepted by the House. Therefore, I am withdrawing this. Thank you.
It's withdrawing it. Does the have the leave of the House to withdraw? Yes. Okay. Amendments 368 to 371 by Shri Trishit Siva. Are you withdrawing the amendments?
Sir, only one word.
Or shall I
Sir,
put?
I have insisted only 4 core issues, sir. One of that is regarding the Tamil Nadu fishermen. Prime Minister, while replying...
No, we are not
Sir,
going
no,
into
sir.
a speech
If
here.
I am moving, sir, no explanation. I am withdrawing, so I am telling only...
If you are withdrawing,
the
just
Prime
say so.
Minister said, sir, that there will be a very good relationship with the neighbors. At the same time, we will not surrender. Taking his words into confidence, sir, I am withdrawing these amendments.
Amendments are withdrawn. Does he have the leave of the House to withdraw the amendments? Yes, sir. I shall now put the motion as amended to vote. The question is that an address be presented to the President in the following terms. that the members of the Rajya Sabha assembled in this session are deeply grateful to the President for the address which he has been pleased to deliver to both Houses of Parliament assembled together on 23rd February 2015, but regret that there is no mention in the address about the failure of the government to curb the high-level corruption and to bring back black money. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion as amended is adopted.